Hi, my name's Ollie, and I'm one of the co-founders of Senja. And Senja is a free and powerful tool to help you collect, manage, and share your testimonials. So whether you're a creator, a marketer, a influencer, or a SaaS founder, we can actually help you drive more revenue through social proof. I'm just going to use this video to walk you through some of the key concepts behind Senja. It's pretty simple, but by the end of this, you'll have a really good understanding of how Senja can fit into your workflow. Thanks for joining me. Cheers. So first up, I'm going to introduce you to the three core areas in the product. They are simply collect, manage, and share. So in the collect area, what you're going to find is the ability to collect testimonials from your clients or customers using either forms or through importing from other places. Next up, we have manage, which is where you'll be able to see all of your testimonials like this and tag and search them. And then finally, and this is the fun bit, is the ability to share those testimonials. And with Senja, you can create an image, you can create a widget, or you can create a wall of love from one or more testimonials. And using your social proof at the right time can help you drive more business, make more money. So let's get on with collecting. So every account on Senja actually comes with a form included, but you can create more. In this case, we've got M's freelance testimonial form, and M is using it to collect video and text testimonials from her clients. Now, she is able to customize this form, and customizations include changing the design or changing the types of responses that she will receive. So she can limit it to video responses only or text responses only. As well as that, we can localize the language, add a custom domain, and change up the thank you page. So forms are there to collect testimonials. You can create multiple forms because you might, for example, want to focus on different aspects of your service in different forms, or you might want to collect different types of testimonial for different types of work that you do. So that's how you can use forms on Senja. But if, like me, you're hot shit and you've got testimonials all over the social web, then you can also use Senja to pull them in. So finally, you'll have all your testimonials in one place ready to use how you best need them. So in Senja, we can pull your testimonials in from your Trustpilot page, your Facebook page, your LinkedIn, your product hunt, and your Twitter account. And this really takes seconds. You just populate the relevant details or the link, and we will pull them in directly. And you'll see your import history here on the right. So now we're back on the dashboard, which also serves as the manage space. And here you'll be able to see all of the testimonials that you've collected, but you'll also be able to tag them and you'll be able to search them. We have some interesting search features that will actually help you find the most relevant testimonial when you need it. So you can search for a person's name, their job title, or their email address, but you can also filter by the type or the source of the testimonial, filter by the rating, a tag, the job title, and we even have a word cloud which will help you identify words that your customers or clients are using regularly in your testimonials. So that's really fun, and it just gets you to the right testimonial at the right time. So here's where Senja really comes to life. This is the Testimonial Studio, and this is one place for you to turn one or more testimonials into beautiful images or widgets or walls of love. So your images you could share in your emails or you could put them on your social channels, and that will actually drive awareness for your service or your business. Your widgets you can embed onto your website. That could be Webflow, that could be Notion, that could be Typedream, that could be Wix. They embed absolutely anywhere and they look amazing. And your wall of love is a page with your testimonials showcased beautifully. And that page you can link to on your social profiles again. You can put in emails, you can put in your social bios. As well as that, we suggest with a wall of love that you might want to break it down into different themes. So you might have a wall of love for recruitment into your business. You might have a wall of love for clients to say why they love you. And you might have a wall of love for tips to work well with you or to, in the case of SaaS, activate that user. So tips for getting started. So walls of love have this ability to really curate critical information that you can share at the right time. Let's have a look at how they work because it's amazing. So first up, let's make an image from a testimonial. And in this case, we just go to select testimonials. You'll see all of your testimonials here. You can also search. I'm going to pull in 3 testimonials today. That was pretty simple. And here we're going to see those testimonials load in this style. This is the default style. But in Senja, we'll be able to customize the style very simply. So first up, I'm changing the layout because I want it to be added to Gumroad, and that requires a horizontal or a landscape style. And then we can switch up some of the various things here, including the logo, where the logo goes, the size, the background styles, and also the format of the testimonial element. So I love it. I'm happy with it. I'm going to hit share. And then from there, I can download it as a PNG, put it on my Gumroad, put it on my LinkedIn, put it on my Facebook. You can easily resize to get the perfect image dimensions for any platform. Next up, we've got widgets. Widgets are quite similar to images. You're creating something visual. And actually, once you've created a widget, you can now download it as an image. So if you like your widget style, download it. But here's how you can design up a different widget and embed it onto your website. So you're going to create the widget name, and currently it's pulling from public testimonials. That's in effect all testimonials unless you make them private. And here we can try lots and lots of different styles. I really love this one. It lives really nicely under a call to action in a landing page hero. But people are a big fan of this one. It's got movement. You can see that in lots of different places. Once you're happy with your widget, you hit Save Changes and you go to embed. And simply, you copy this code here and embed it into whatever platform you're using. I've got some instructions there for how to do it. Or you can export, like I mentioned, the image as a PNG. So finally, our third way of sharing is the wall of love. A wall of love is something you may have heard of before, but it's a single page that is dedicated to holding or grouping or curating together your best testimonials. And in Senja, we can make it look absolutely awesome because we've made some really sexy looking wall of love designs that you can customize in a few seconds. Here's one I've used a few times. This is one I really love as well because it has this movement here. This is a nice glassy style that you'll have seen on a few websites. So you can make a wall of love super, super quickly. You can then customize it here with your logo and colors and change up the settings like the copy, the call to action, the navigation, and you can add a custom domain. You can actually also create multiple walls of love. So you could have one that showcases recruitment, testimonials from your employees, basically, and you could include one that includes testimonials from your best customers or testimonials that just focus on one common objection from your customers, like your pricing or how easy it is to implement. So different walls of love for different customers or leads, and they'll always look really, really beautiful. So that's Senja. I really, really hope that you love what we're doing here. We want to empower creators, marketers, SaaS businesses, and indie makers to showcase what makes them awesome. And we've done that by making it easy to collect your social proof, easy to manage it, and beautiful and powerful to share it. And we would absolutely love you to give it a go. You can collect 10 testimonials for free, and we want to see this help you grow your business. So let me know any questions, give it a go, and have an awesome day.